Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I just got a new TV box, and this one is the On TV's box. It's the ONN, so let me call it the On TV box. And today video I'm going to unbox it first of all, and after that we going to install and set up it together. So now let's see any accessory inside this box. Okay, first of all we have to take out the okay, so here we have this remote package, and another side we have this TV box package and one user manual. Okay, let's keep the box there, and user manual, keep it here. And here we have the this TV box, very small, micro USB for charging, and HDMI connection, and I don't know this button, maybe it's on and off button, and let's see after we set up it. Okay, and here we have the power supply with adapter, and it uses micro USB charging, and this is the non-removable adapter. You can see we use the output 5 voltage and 1 amperes. Okay, I will put the detail of this in the here, and you can check it out, because in the video we cannot focus to that small text, and it provides the HDMI cable. So let's see how long is it. It's so the HDMI cable, it's about 1 meter, and another main accessory is the remote control. So you can take out that sticker, and the remote control, it looks like this. And here we have the battery inside the box. So that is all accessory. So now here we have all accessory inside the box. First of all, we have the 1 meter HDMI cable, the On TV box remote control, battery, and the charger cable. Okay, now let me show you how to install it. First of all, you need to input this power supply cable to that port. Connect the HDMI cable to another side with this HDMI port, and another side connect to your TV HDMI, and plug this one to the power socket. After that, turn on your TV and make change to the HDMI display, and let's see together. And now we input the battery into the remote control. Okay, now let's connect to the TV together. I bring my TV. Okay, now I got a Samsung TV, and this one is the normal TV. And now let's install it together. Just turn the TVs on. Okay. Okay, after install the TV box, input the power supply, connect the HDMI to the TV port, and now let make the TV output to the HDMI. You can see the HDMI 1. Now I connect to the HDMI 1 and select on it. Okay, after you make change the display to the HDMI, you will see the instruction how you can connect the TV box remote to your TV box. Okay, as the instruction, you need to press the home button here and the back button. Hold it on together about 4 seconds until you can see the LED blinking. And please remember that you need to get your remote to the 10-inch or less to the nearest point of your TV box. Okay, so now let's do together. Just press this home and back button together, and I bring it to next to the TV box. Okay, until you can see this LED blinking. So now it get welcome to connection to the TV box. And now we can remote the TV box by our new remote control. And this one it's use the Bluetooth, so you can just press it and point to anywhere you want, so you no need to press and point to the TV. It remote by Bluetooth. And first of all we need to choose the language, so I select English United States. Quickly set up your TV with Android phone. Okay, continue. Okay, this time just press back first. So we need to connect the Wi-Fi to the TV box, as I used to set up it with another Android TV, so we cannot just make connection when we not yet connect to the Wi-Fi. And now just press back and we will connect to the Android phone later. Just press back one and skip it. After that, this time we need to connect the Wi-Fi. After connect to the Wi-Fi, it's time to connect your phone later. Okay, now connect to one of your Wi-Fi and input the password. Okay, now connect successfully to the internet. And just wait a minute. It's updating. Okay, now you need to sign in with your Gmail account to your Android TV. Okay, now let's sign in. And just input your Google account email, and after that input your password, and let's see together. Okay, we need to accept the term and service. Accept your location. I use my location, yes. Have to improve Android, yes. Better voice control. Okay, continue. Okay, continue. Okay, personal result, you can choose to no saying or turn it on, but just remember, when another people use this device, they can use your personal result too. Okay, I just turn it on. And now it recommends to install the previous app that we already used this email to install. And mostly I just untick it, and if I want to install any more app, I will just go to the Play Store and download more app, because different TV and maybe we not use the same app, so just untick it and continue. And now it walk you through, just press the right button and you can take time read it out. If you want to save time, just press the right button. Okay, control volume and power with remote. I'm not really sure what is that, but now let's see my setup first and you will know. Okay, set up volume. I don't have the soundbar or any AV receiver, so we just use the TV. Samsung, okay. I select Samsung because now I'm using Samsung TV. Okay, hear the music. Okay, we can use the this remote to turn the volume of the TV up and down, so this function is useful because most the TV box I need to turn volumes on, and I need to turn the volume up and down by using the TV remote, and this is the function of the TV, so that is useful. I suggest to do that. Okay, it worked. Just press yes and set up the power button. Next. Okay, now just remember, press this power button only one time and point to the TV receiver, and when you see the TV is turning off, just wait about 8 seconds and do not press any button. After 8 seconds, just press the power button once again. Okay, let's do together. So I just press one time, and now the TV is turned off, and we need to wait about 8 seconds, so wait together. Okay, press once more time. the TV is not off, it's just off the TV box. So I select no. Try again, another code. Okay, press 1. Okay, and now the TV is turned off. You can see the receiver of the TV. When you turn off and see any appear on the screen, so that means the TV is not turning off. But now you can see the receiver of the TV, it's completely turned off and the screen is got blank. So that means you now can turn off the TV. It's not off the TV box, it's off the TV screen, and all the TV box and the TV function is now turning off. Okay, after about 8 seconds, you need to press this on and off buttons once more time. And now the TV is turning on. And if not success, you need to go to no, and the TV box will make change another code. And now it worked, and just select yes. And now we set up the remote already. Just press next. Okay, now it update my remote control. And another thing, we have one notification. Select on it. Okay, update remote control. It's ready to be installed. So just update it. Continue. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, now we all done, and everything is usable right now. App. Okay, get more app. So here is the template of the Play Store. You can just see, and I browse through it. We have some app, recommend app, get start with this game. We have some game. Okay, and that's it. So we get back to the home page. Okay, and that's it. And that is the end of this video of the first time unboxing on TV and set up it, install to the TV. And now thank you everyone for your time watching this video, and I hope this video will give you some more idea, more information, and see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.